Hi there. Are you ready for a fun lesson today? We'll learn some new words about things we like and dislike, plus some food and drinks. Let's get started. Here's our first mystery word. What do you think it is? Here's a hint. It's something happy, something you enjoy.
I think it's like.
That's right, it's like. When you enjoy something, you say, I like it. Can you give me a thumbs up and say it with me?
I like it.
Teaching tip. Activate curiosity by giving hints or partial visuals before revealing a word. Then, encourage students to use it in a meaningful sentence.
What do you think this word is? Hint. It's the opposite of like.
I think I got this one. The opposite of like is dislike.
Good job. It's dislike. Let's make a sad face and say, dislike. Can you tell me something you dislike? Broccoli?
Yes, I dislike broccoli.
What do you think this is? It's something we eat every day.
Is it food, teacher?
You got it. Food is what we eat. Let's use it in a sentence. I'll go first. I like food. What about you?
I like food.
Now, let's try these. What do you think this drink is?
Juice. I think it's juice.
Great job, Lucy. That's correct. This drink is juice. Well done. Now let's try this one. Can you guess what this drink might be?
Milk. I think it's milk.
That's right. Excellent work. This drink is milk. You're doing amazing, Lucy. And now for the last one. Can you guess what this drink is?
Water. It must be water.
Perfect. You got it. This drink is water. Fantastic guessing, Lucy. Great job, Lucy. Now, let's play a fun game using our new words, like and dislike. We're going to look at different foods and decide if we like or dislike them. Ready? First, look at this. It's a red, juicy apple. It looks delicious. What do you think? Do we like or dislike this?
I like yummy apples.
That's right. We like yummy apples.
Teaching tip. Encourage student engagement by asking for their personal opinions on different topics. This helps build confidence, critical thinking, and meaningful discussions in class.
Now, look at this apple. Oh, it's rotten and has a worm in it. It doesn't look good at all. What do you think?
I dislike rotten apples.
Exactly. We dislike rotten apples. Next, we have fresh bread. Look at it. It's soft, warm, and smells so good. Who likes fresh bread?
Me. I like fresh bread.
Yes, we like fresh bread. Now, look at this bread. Oh, there's green and blue mold on it. Would you eat this? Like or dislike?
Yucky. Dislike.
That's right. We dislike moldy bread. Wow! You all did an amazing job today. You learned how to use like and dislike and had fun sorting different foods. Now you can tell people what foods you enjoy and what foods you don't. Now,
Teaching tip. End with cheerful feedback or visual rewards to keep students motivated.
great job with those awesome vocabulary words. Now it's time to have some fun with reading sentences. Are you ready to jump into a super exciting reading adventure?
Yes, teacher.
Let's read this sentence together. I like yummy food. Can you say it with me?
I like yummy food.
Great! Now, let's make it fun. Pretend you're eating your favorite food and say it again.
I like yummy food.
Here's the next one. I dislike yucky food. Say it with me.
I dislike yucky foods.
Make a funny face as if we're eating something yucky and say it again.
I dislike yucky foods.
Let's try this. I drink juice. Say it with me.
I drink juice.
What's your favorite juice? Pretend you're drinking it and say the sentence.
I drink juice.
Teaching tip. Reinforce learning by having students add actions. Let them imagine, pretend, or act out the word to deepen understanding and retention.
Here's the next sentence. I drink milk. Let's say it together.
I drink milk.
Great! Now, let's pretend you're holding a glass of milk. Ready? Say it again.
I drink milk.
Now, let's try the last one. I drink water. Can you say that with me?
I drink water.
Perfect. Imagine you're sipping from a refreshing glass of water. Let's say it once more.
I drink water.
Very good. You did such an amazing job today. Remember, practicing new words can be fun, especially when we talk about things we like and dislike. Keep exploring, and I'll see you next time for another exciting lesson. Bye for now.
Visit EnglishBrightESL.com for more resources.